1. Website and mobile application development FAQ, customer and developer. 2. C. Hi. So, about this website. I'm really not sure what I want. 3. D. VSK business consultant, that's perfectly fine. Many clients start with a general idea. We can begin by discussing your business, your goals for the website, and any existing materials you have. What are your main objectives for having a website? 4. C. Well, I want it to look good. And I want people to buy my stuff. 5. D. VSK business consultant, looking good, is subjective. Let's explore some examples of websites you find visually appealing. Do you have any competitors or websites in a similar industry you like? And for buying stuff, what kind of products or services are we talking about? 6. C. I sell, well, artisanal widgets. You know, the kind people like. And I saw this website with lots of moving pictures, and it was really cool. 7. D. VSK business consultant, artisanal widgets. That helps. And yes, dynamic elements like videos and animations can be engaging. However, we need to ensure they align with your brand and don't slow down the site. Could you show me the website you liked? We can discuss what aspects appeal to you. 8. C. Okay, here it is. Shows a flashy, high bandwidth website with many auto-playing videos. 9. D. VSK business consultant, I see. This website uses a lot of video content and has a very modern, almost futuristic aesthetic. While visually striking, we need to consider your target audience. Are your widget buyers likely to prefer this style? Also, this amount of video can significantly impact loading times, especially on mobile devices. 10. C. Loading times. What's that? 11. D. VSK business consultant, loading time is how long it takes for your website to appear on a user's screen. Slow loading times can frustrate users, and they might leave your site before seeing your widgets. We want to optimize for speed. 12. C. Oh, right. So, maybe less video. But I still want it to be exciting. 13. D. VSK business consultant, absolutely. We can achieve excitement through other methods, like high-quality images, interactive elements, or well-written content that tells your widget story. We can also use subtle animations that don't overwhelm the user. Do you have professional photos of your widgets? 14. C. I took some with my phone. There, okay. 15. D. VSK business consultant, professional photography can make a huge difference. High-quality images can significantly enhance your product's appeal and create a more trustworthy impression. We can also explore options for creating a consistent brand identity, including a logo and color palette. 16. C. Brand identity. Like a logo. I don't have one of those. 17. D. VSK business consultant. A brand identity helps create a cohesive and recognizable image for your business. It includes elements like a logo, color scheme, typography, and overall tone. We can work with a graphic designer to create a brand identity that reflects the quality and uniqueness of your artisanal widgets. 18. C. Okay. So, no giant videos, good pictures, and a logo. How much is all of this going to cost? 19. D. VSK business consultant, that depends on the scope of the project. We can create a detailed proposal outlining the costs for design, development, photography, and any other services you require. We can work within your budget and prioritize features based on your needs. 20. C. Budget, right. I don't have a huge budget. 21. D. VSK business consultant, that's fine. We can start with a minimum viable product, MVP, which is a basic version of your website with essential features. We can then add more features and functionality as your business grows. We can also discuss options for using templates and open source solutions to reduce costs. 22. C. Templates. You mean, like, anyone can use them. 23. D. VSK Business Consultant. Yes, website templates are pre-designed layouts that can be customized with your content and branding. They can be a cost-effective way to get a professional-looking website quickly. However, custom designs offer more flexibility and uniqueness. 24. C. So, like, if I use a template, it will look like everyone else's site. 25. D. VSK Business Consultant. Not necessarily. Templates are a starting point. We customize them with your brand colors, fonts, images, and content to make them unique to your business. We can also add custom functionalities to make your site stand out. 26. C. And what about the buying stuff part? How do people buy my widgets? 27. D. VSK Business Consultant. Exactly. And we'll also ensure it's mobile friendly, secure, and easy to navigate. We'll work closely with you throughout the process to create a website that meets your needs and helps you achieve your business goals. Thank you for meeting with us today. We look forward to meeting again soon to discuss your website in more detail. In the meantime, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our WhatsApp channel, and connect with us on Facebook and Instagram for more helpful tips and updates.